जी स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख रहे हैं दी वर्ल्ड नॉलेज टीवी, स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय हाउस ऑफ फरकम प्रैक्टिकल स्कूल सिस्टम चिन्योर। आज हमारे इदारा के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स डायनामिक्स टॉपिक पर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। आए मिलके देखते हैं।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iman. I study in class 9. When a cricket ball hits, a fielder tries to catch it. While holding the ball, she draws hands backward. Why?
The fielder draws his hand back to reduce the ball impact and avoid injury.
When someone jumps from a small boat on the river bank, why does the jumper often fall into the water? Explain.
The boat moves backward due to jumper forward momentum, causing the jumper to fall into the water.
Imagine that if friction vanishes suddenly from everything, the what could be the scalable?
Everything would be slide and slip, walking, driving, and even standing would be impossible.
Explain the concept of force by practical. Explain.
Pushing, pulling a door, kicking a ball, lifting a box.
Define momentum and express Newton's second law of motion in terms of change in momentum.
Momentum is the product of mass and velocity by P is equal to mv. Newton's second law in terms of momentum states that the rate of the change of momentum of velocity of an object is equal to the force acting on it.
Explain the effect of friction on the motion of vehicles in context of trippy surface and braking force.
Friction surface moves vehicle turn and stop, and braking force slows and stop vehicles.
State and explain the principle of conservation of momentum.
The principle of conservation of momentum states that the total momentum of a closed system of a measurement.
ये थे हमारे इदारा के स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने डायनामिक टॉपिक पर डिस्कस की। ऐसे नॉलेज के लिए आप हमारे साथ रहिएगा। देखते रहें दी वर्ल्ड नॉलेज टीवी, स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय हाउस ऑफ फरकम प्रैक्टिकल स्कूल सिस्टम।